Where did my superhero go? Meet Adi. Adi loved playing. Cars, puzzles, coloring, superheroes. You name it. But Adi had one little problem. He was very good at taking things out. Putting them back? Not so good. One morning, Adi zoomed his favorite red car all around the room. Vroom, vroom! Yay! Then he spotted his coloring book. Time to draw! Yay! He dropped the car on the floor and ran off with his crayons. The red car stayed exactly where it was, on the floor. Adi took out his coloring book. He colored a big, bright rocket. Then he put his colors down. He put his coloring book down and ran off to play. The crayons stayed exactly where they were, on the table. And somehow, one blue crayon ended up under a pillow. Don't ask how. Every day, there was one sentence Mama heard again and again. Mama, where's my red car? Where did you play with it, Adi? Asked Mama. They looked near the sofa. Nothing. Behind the chair. Nothing. Under the table. There you are! Sometimes it was easy. But sometimes, Mama, where's my blue crayon? They searched the table, under the chair, behind the cushion, and there it was. Oh, why are you hiding, Bluey? But sometimes Adi had absolutely no idea. Mama, where's my puzzle? Where did you play with it, Adi? Adi thought and thought and thought. I don't remember, Mama. So they searched under the sofa, behind the curtain, in the bedroom. But nothing. I think my puzzle has gone on a holiday. Sometimes they found things, sometimes they didn't. And every time, Mama would gently remind him. Adi, when you're finished playing, let's put things back to where they belong. That way, you'll know where to find them next time. Okay, Mama. And off he would run to play. A few days later, Adi got something very exciting from his Bua. A brand new superhero, Captain Zoom. He had a shiny red cape, blue boots, and a tiny golden shield. Captain Zoom, the fastest superhero ever! Adi played with him all afternoon. Captain Zoom flew over the sofa, rescued a teddy, defeated an imaginary monster. Then Adi's friends called from outside. Adi, come to the playhouse. Adi put Captain Zoom down and ran outside. At the playhouse, Meera had an idea. Tomorrow, let's all of us bring our superheroes. Yes, mine can fly, said Rohan. Mine has a golden shield, said Adi. Wow! Bring him tomorrow, Adi. Definitely. Tomorrow was going to be Superhero Day. That evening, Adi rushed home. Captain Zoom! He looked on the sofa, nothing. On the bed, nothing. Under the table, nothing. Inside his toy basket, nothing. Adi's smile disappeared. Oh no! Tomorrow! I need Captain Zoom tomorrow! He searched everywhere. Behind the cushions, under the bed, inside the cupboard, even in his school bag. Still nothing. Adi sat on the floor. His eyes filled with tears. Where are you, Captain Zoom? Then he remembered Mama's words. Adi, when you're finished playing, let's put things back to where they belong. That way, you'll know where to find them next time. Adi looked around. The crayons were on the floor. The coloring book was on the sofa. The red car was under the chair. Suddenly, Adi understood. Maybe Mama was right. Just then, Mama came home. Adi, why are you crying, beta? Adi sniffed. Mama, I can't find my Captain Zoom. Mama sat beside him. Where did you last play with him? Adi thought. He thought really hard. And then, my blanket fort! He ran to it. He lifted the blanket. Nothing. He looked behind the pillow. Nothing. Then, something shiny caught his eyes. A golden shield. Captain Zoom! There he was. A little dusty, a little squished, but safe. Adi hugged him. And then he looked at Mama. Mama, I know why I couldn't find him. Because I didn't put him back. Oh, Adi. Mama gave him a hug. Then he looked around his room. Mama, can we put everything back? And together they began. The car, back in the car box. The crayons, back in the pencil cup. The puzzles, back on the shelf. And Captain Zoom, Adi carefully put him in his special superhero box. Tomorrow, I won't have to search. I will know exactly where you are. The next morning, Adi ran to the playhouse. Captain Zoom was safely in his bag. Rohan brought his superhero. Meera brought hers. Superheroes, ready? Ready! They played, they laughed, they rescued teddy bears, they defeated imaginary monsters, and Captain Zoom saved the day. When it was time to go home, Adi picked him up. Come on, Captain Zoom, let's go home. Take it out, have lots of fun. When you're finished, don't just run. Put it back where it belongs. Then finding it won't take too long.